Student, in the previous video of the chapter 2nd Geography, Physical Feature of India, we discussed about the three parallel ranges of the Himalaya and the Himalayas division on the basis of the river systems. In this video, we will discuss the second physiographic division of the India, that is the northern plain. From the name, it is clear that it covers the north part of the India. The northern plain is formed by the three major river systems, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Indus along with their tributaries. And it is formed by the depositions of the alluvium soil, that is a vast basin laying at the foothills of the Himalaya, that coming over a millions of years. And due to this, it formed this plain fertile. And it spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. And the length of this plain is 2400 km and the breadth is 240 to 320 kilometers. And due to the fertile soil, it is a densely populated because India is an agriculture land, and due to the fertile soil and the adequate water supply that rivers coming from the Himalaya are here, so this plain is very fertile, and so that's why population is very thickly in this area. And this, according to the variation in the relief feature, the northern plain are divided into the 4 regions. The river, after descending from the mountain, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of about 8 to 16 km in the width. And these range laying parallel to the slope of the Shivalik, and that area is known as a Babur. And south to this belt, the streams and rivers re-emerge and create a wet, swampy and marshy region that was known as a तेराई. और इस तेराई यानी कि इस दलदली एरिया में पहले बहुत सारे वाइल्ड लाइफ्स होती थी, बट ड्यू टू द एग्रीकल्चर एंड नाउ दीज आर डिसअपियर्ड. And the largest part of the northern plain is formed of older alluvium that lie above the flood plain of the rivers and present a terrace-like features. And this part is known as a Bangar, the old alluvium soils, because this soil in this region contain calcareous deposit that was known as a Kankad, and due to that Kankad, the soil is, this plain is less fertile, and the newer younger deposit of the flood plain are called a Khadar. They are renewed almost every year, means every year the soil that flow down by the rivers coming and deposit here, and so that's why it is very fertile, and this is ideal for the intensive agriculture. So northern plain is a rich area of the agriculture area, and this is agriculture a very productive part of the India. The rivers in their lower course split into the numerous channels, means they are distributed and divided into the 3 sections: Punjab plain, Ganga plains and the Brahmaputra plain. The western part of the northern plain is referred to as the Punjab plain. It is formed by the Indus and its tributary, and a larger part of this plain lies in Pakistan. The Indus and its tributaries, for example the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas and the Satluj, originate in the Himalaya, and this section dominated by the Doabs. Doabs means they are the formed by the 2 rivers. And the Ganga plain extends between the Ghaggar and the Tista river, and it is spread over the state of the Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar and partially Jharkhand and the West Bengal. And in the east side, especially in Assam, there is a lie the Brahmaputra plain. And in the next video, we will discuss about the peninsular plateau of India.